Hey guys,
No,
welcome back to another video.
I would not.
Today, I just bought the pack. Don't ask why.
I'm sorry.
Cause
I
I'm
got
trying to
modded
lock something,
backpack.
but I can finally lock it. It's the shotgun. I think I can lock it. I got a friend request. Just said I got a friend request received. Okay, so first we got the ogre hands. 3, 2, 1. Bye-bye! We got the revolver. We bring revolver ammo. Oh wait, I could just be this. Okay, now we gotta throw away to shotgun. 3, 2, 1. Okay. How much is it? Oh, I can afford that. I unlocked 4 items. I have 0 research points. I was planning to get the new backpacks, but I feel like a shotgun's more important because I could just one-shot my enemies. I did buy the starter pack. I felt like cosmetics was better, but this doesn't even do anything. Okay.
Yeah, boy.
Let's see.
Yeah, this is going inside my big stash now.
3, 2,
Got
1.
Can someone buy me
Yeah,
a
that's my big stash. Yeah.
Let's
Yo,
go!
give me a pickaxe.
Who wants a shotgun? Who wants a shotgun?
Me.
It's loaded and I just unlocked it. First one to get it wins it.
Beat up.
Okay, that was kind of unfair. Come to the start. I'm gonna buy one more and I'm gonna throw 2 actually. I'm gonna throw 2. Come here. Come to this is the start. Everyone, come here if you want to. Okay, so there's 2. Okay, when someone gets it, then they're out of So you already got one, so you gotta spectate. Okay, come on, get ready. No cheating. You have to walk there. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, you got it. You got it. Okay. Yo. Yeah. Since you tried, here, take a loaded revolver. Anyways, bro,
Can somebody buy me a pickaxe?
Yo, dude, can we go get some big items?
Sure.
Do we need to eat?
Boy, can I have one of
Oh,
those?
you wanna go big
What's the key
items?
card?
Can you give me
Wait,
a
let me
pickaxe?
get 2 revolvers. Wait, I'm gonna go fly.
room.
Give me a pickaxe.
What do we need? A key
I
card?
just wanna fly, guys.
I have another key card right here. I'm in the room with the lava.
Yo, dude, come with me to get some big stuff. Come with me to get some big stuff. He wants to come with me to get some big stuff.
I need a pickaxe, though.
There you go.
Nice.
Okay, now come.
Let's go. Okay. Wait, I'm gonna come too. I'm gonna come.
Okay, sure, come.
Wait for me. I'm getting.
Where are you guys? With the elite employee?
Okay. I'm loaded. Going to office.
Nope.
Actually, I need a flashlight.
Bruh.
I'm gonna bring ogre hands.
Where are y'all?
Hold up, I'm coming.
Wait, can
Someone
I?
Yo, you want
bring
something? It's on you.
I need some loot.
Here, take this. It's on you. It's loaded. Don't waste ammo. Do not waste
Guys,
it.
I found
Use
another
it for your
freaking...
I'm gonna
enemies.
buy me a backpack.
But this is no PvP. This is no PvP, so don't waste it.
Okay. Wait, can't you just buy some ammo?
Okay, guys. How am I that poor already?
Gotta go back over there.
Like, that poor? I just got 25,000 nuts.
wait. Got that one?
I'm going in the office.
But like, key cards do we need and how many key cards? One. We need one. And a bag full of rubber ducks.
Okay, we're loaded.
I already filled red off. Okay, I have a key card. Where do I go? Where are
Actually, I should go back.
all from the other way? I went to the right, I'm pretty sure. I hear you guys.
This is the guy that.
Are you guys near the elevators? Like the broken elevators? With the left guy?
Gotta load this. Okay. I'm unlocking so much stuff.
Wait, what's your name? My name is...
Bro, I lost
Right
how
here.
much?
Wait, what's your name?
Whoever sent me a friend request, I'm accepting it.
Right. Is that you?
Guys, y'all hear my Angry Bird sound?
Hold on, I found you. Right.
Y'all want to hear my Angry Bird sound?
A rocket time.
Listen to that.
That actually worked. Wait, what happens if I double?
Where is
this?
everyone? I'm the...
Okay, so 1, 2, 3. That barely worked.
Is someone in mine?
Oh, that's fast. Okay, I finally locked it.
Black.
Yeah.
Do you have one of those? Do you have another one of those backpacks?
Yeah, I could buy you one, of course, man. Here.
No, you two,
I
don't
just
have that. Don't have
Take
them ones. Don't get them ones. Take them ones.
Ha-
Take them ones.
Oh yeah, take this one. Take this one, mister. This is way
Oh.
better. Way better.
Or take that one. Or take them ones. Or take
Yeah,
them ones.
take one of these. Take one of these.
I will
And
go
also-
back. I will go back and get...
Take these.
Black, you take it.
Is it on me?
Take these. Those are your starter loot. That's your starter loot. It's loaded.
What's that?
And I'm gonna give you like one. Like I can
Even
buy some ammo
better.
too.
Even better. Even better.
Okay, I got you
RPG.
some ammo.
Wait, where's
Black, do you know
Only
what
thing
my
I
ray gun looks
saw
like?
my back?
No.
Hey guys,
Cool.
does anybody know the way to the planetarium? Ooh, can I have this?
Access.
Yeah, you can have it. Does anyone
It
know?
looks like my toes.
Oh yeah. Wait.
Does anybody know the way to the planetarium?
No, but does anyone know why my ray gun looks like this?
Where's my backpack?
Guys, I'm joking. I've got an OG ray gun here.
Where's my backpack? What? You don't got it. What? You do? What?
It's OG.
Okay, let's get
Looks the
one
same.
revolver.
It does. It really does not.
Let's get the.
It really looks. It really doesn't look the same.
It's not loaded. Wait, let me try double. Come on! Wait, actually, I should have not waste these revolves. Because ammo's
Where's
just
my
guys,
backpack?
I'm hustling.
Where's my backpack?
Okay, I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna become
You mute,
pro.
that's where I need. Where's my backpack?
Oh, you have to buy you another one?
bro. I got your backpack.
Do not leave that. I'm
Yeah,
getting
give him
more
one. Yeah, give him
sugar.
one. Give him one. Take it before someone else takes it. Okay.
I'm
Go,
getting
go, okay, you're done.
Guys, this is no
Huh?
PvP.
Can we go mining it? Because I want to get more like the purple. I'm selling free
Okay, but that has a spider in it. It has a spider.
I know, I lived there before. It's
Just
really
one
scary,
donate.
but I still want to go. Cause last
Do you know there's another place to mine that doesn't have spider?
Well, who wants a
Follow
free
me,
glow
follow me.
stick?
Wanna follow me?
I got this. Let's go mining.
I'm giving
Oh,
away
wait, take this,
free
take this
glow
instead.
sticks.
Someone got this for me.
Take this. Hurry, hurry, hurry.
Grab
Okay,
the
it's
glow
loaded.
sticks if you
Follow me,
want
follow me.
one.
This is a better place to mine. Come here, follow me.
Wait,
All right,
wait.
let's go.
If you want no monsters, it's in sewers.
Hey dude.
Stop
Hey dude,
shooting
can you
that.
give me a revolver?
Yo, there's a bomb!
I know I already have one.
Bro! No, don't take my
do not
backpack.
pick
Please,
that
bro,
up.
please.
Do not
Don't
pick
take
that
it.
up.
Wait for me.
Bro, please. This little kid. I'm coming there inbound. Okay.
Come on.
Hello?
Alright.
I'm back.
Oh.
I had
Hey
a
guys.
wait.
I don't have anything, so
Wait, I need to get ammo real quick. I need to get ammo. I repeat, I need to get ammo. I need to get ammo. Ow. Let me buy some ammo real quick.
Still at the rubber ducky area?
yo,
Nah, we're at the ducking machine now.
can I get
Or
some
should I
ammo
buy
too?
shotgun? I'm becoming
Can I
kind
have
of
some
broke,
ammo?
so should I buy shotgun?
Hey,
Yeah, I
dude,
wanna
can I
buy
get some ammo?
Black, can I have a grapple hook?
Oh, I don't have them unlocked. I only have like these unlocked. I bought the starter pack.
What's that? Can
Oh,
I
it
buy
costs
the starter
$10, and you can get 12
Where is
points. Come here, follow me. This is where it is. But it costs $10, like 10 real dollars. Here, go in the VR. Go in the VR. Go in it. Go in it.
Wait, is no one
That's
gonna...
fine.
Guys, no
Don't
one
stop,
take
don't
my
stop.
crowbar.
Please tell me.
It'll come with you
we're at the ducking
anyways.
machine. We're coming to the machine
Wait, I'm
area.
coming with
We
you.
need some red stuff right now. We need some red stuff.
Okay, you see me? You see me? It's right there. It's right there. Right here.
Quickly, I'm at the stairs.
It costs $10. You get 12 points. 12.
We're looking
This
for
is what
some.
I just bought.
Yo. Hey dude.
What are you
Wait,
doing?
Can I have some ammo?
Wait,
for
guys,
my
come
gun?
here.
Yeah, a bit. Wait.
There was someone already there with
Yeah, you can unlock
Come
stuff.
on, I have this unlocked.
Yeah,
I
me
have
too.
this unlocked.
Or you
Wait,
can give me.
Wait.
or
Look, I have that unlocked. I have the grenade unlocked. And come with me.
Welcome to Gorilla Kabul.
Whoa! Dogs died right there. He died. Try to get his loot. Oh, yeah. It despawned. He died.
Where's my back?
Oh, it despawned. I'll get you another one. I'll buy you another one. Follow me. Come here.
No, it's right there.
Yeah, I know, but it's too risky. So I'm gonna buy you a new one, like a brand
Wait,
new
I
one.
can get it.
Yeah, you try to get it. I'm gonna get him a different one if you can't get it.
Guys, where are you at? In your house. I just shot him. I see no one.
Okay. Mission accomplished.
I guess you're in like
Got a new backpack if you can't get it.
next spot.
Blue, come here.
We re-exited. We need red stuff.
Oh no, he's not here. That's bad. Oh,
What's that? No!
blue, dark blue.
And I fell.
Honey,
Guys,
get here.
I'm coming.
Oh, here. Oh, you found it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. He,
Oh, okay.
yeah,
You can keep
he
his
got
backpack. if
Yeah,
you
I
want.
got
I
it
don't
for
need
him.
it.
I got it for him.
Okay.
Yo, guys.
Wait,
wait
hey,
a
remember
minute,
how you asked for a revolver ammo? Come here, I'll buy you some.
Yeah. Who? By the way, I took this revolver. from
Not
you.
you, we'll
Oh, it's fine, I
play
don't even care because I
together.
have them
Guys,
unlocked.
help me.
Yo, can I have a
Take as
grappler?
much as you want. There, I'll buy you some.
I need revolver ammo.
Okay, I'll give you
Can
some.
you make sure no one takes my backpack?
Okay.
Yo, could somebody give me grappler?
Grappler, I don't even
put
have
the
those
ammo in
unlocked.
this gun.
I
I know.
Hurry, put them in the
I
bag.
have this
Hurry, like.
Hey,
hurry,
dude.
hurry.
Hey, dude.
No, I already have.
Do you guys got my hoverboard?
I have a back.
Where's the other
This is
ammo?
my backup revolver. I have a backup.
Let me buy you
revolver,
extra
guys.
one since you lost it. Here.
Yeah, nice.
Okay. Anyways,
Now I have 2 revolvers, and this one's my.
I have a
spare
cooldown,
one.
and I'm becoming broke.
Does anyone
I'm
Yeah,
have
still getting 200k from revolvers.
Does
Let's
anyone
go
have
mining. Let's go
Alright,
mining.
Let's go mining.
Wait, we need a flashlight.
Wait,
I'll
add.
get a
Wait,
flashlight.
where's that kid? Where's that kid?
Please give me one.
Yo, Blue, add me, add me.
No. Why?
Just never mind. Wait. Oh. Wait. Oh yeah, I forgot. I could just bring a revolver. I'm like, so I can just. Yeah.
Blah.
Hey,
Where are you going? We're going mining.
did you just try and do Russian roulette?
Wait.
Let me join.
Yeah, there's one blue.
blow.
Okay. Wait, let me
let me
put my
try.
stuff
Yo.
away. Whoever loses, the winner gets to keep the revolver.
But Black,
Oh, my
I thought we were
backpack.
going
I have no storage. Wait, don't take my backpack. Don't take my backpack.
Black, I thought we were going mining.
Okay, how many
I
times?
thought-
How many times?
7.
7,000.
1, 2,
Black, I
3,
thought
4,
we were
5,
mining.
6, 7.
I thought we were Black.
Bro, how did I instantly get you the first try?
I don't know.
you guys-
Maybe because it was 7.
Bro, how do I have red watch and
there's-
no PvP?
Dude, there's
trying to
6.
queue up.
There's 6. There's 6 barrels in a revolver.
Black.
Oh.
And I said 7.
Are we going mining?
Yes, but wait. Let me buy some ammo and now we'll come mining.
Why do we need
Yo,
it?
can sort. Oh my god.
Help. I'm
Where do I
about
put my
to make
backpack?
this place a
This
better.
is a really relaxing sound.
I know. Ugh.
I got a flare gun.
That does
Okay.
nothing, by the
Wait,
way.
let me
I think it does. It's
one
stuns.
bullet.
I was about to say it stuns enemies.
Car.
Yeah, only stuns like
Does
the
any-
other enemies. Like
Does
the
anyone have any? I got a gun.
Could someone give me
Come on,
2
let's go
hoverboards?
mining.
Stop,
I
stop.
got
Okay,
revolver.
come on,
Wait,
come on.
do you want to go mining? Do you want to go mining?
I'll go mining with you.
Let's go mining. Let's go mining. Let's
Insert
No way.
We became miners so
I
fast.
thought we were
Oh,
going
wait,
the other
no, it's
way.
mine.
Wait, my headset's about to die. It's like 3%.
We can have the grapple then.
Wait, add me, because my headset's about to die.
Can I have the grapple?
No.
I think it's
Bro,
the
can I have
other
the
Add me.
grapple?
Boom.
Where's the grapple?
Okay, what's your name? Wait, where are you? Oh.
Who needs
Yo,
a grappler?
what's your name?
Who needs a grappler?
Me.
Yo, can somebody
God,
give me a
me.
box fan so
Something
I
like
can
that.
become a giant floating ballistic turret? You need a grappler.
Can't find you.
Yes.
Okay.
Does anyone have 2 hoverboards?
My name is
I lost
Baji
mine.
GYT.
I need
That's my
a
name.
box fan.
Dang.
This is a way to get free grappler. You just have
I
to
need
step
2
on that thing.
hoverboards.
What's your user?
Box fan is better because it goes for infinite.
So many
2 box
grapplers.
fans is even better because it can go super high.
Then give
What's
me
you
one.
got? No, I'm
Done.
Help, I'm in office.
Okay, wait, let me see if I got it.
I sell all mine.
Yeah, I got it. Except, okay, there. Yep, my headset's
let's go.
1%.
No. Goodbye,
Best stop
sir.
for is a mini
Goodbye.
grappler inside there.
Bro, I just don't want to go mining right now. Because I'm trying to focus on the vid right now. I'm trying to focus on... He's going to see if I'm online. Oh, yes. Hurry.
me in there.
Can anyone donate?
What even is the point in
God,
those?
oh wait, here's GTYT.
Donations.
What does it do? Huh?
Whenever you put
Okay.
stuff in it, you get.
I want to collect
stuff.
backpack. Here you go. Who wanted me to
Oh, you
donate?
got the
I need donate. I need donate. I need donate. I need donate. You said. I said it first.
No, damn.
He's
Let's get
That's not fair. That's not fair.
Hello.
Guys, you want to go? Wait. Do you want to go to sewers?
The blue?
No, they're like
Nah.
like 100.
First
like
one
a
to
bunch of
me.
weapons.
Give my back. Drift. Guys, I'm trying to focus on something else. That's why I said my headset's about to die. The sky exploded. The sky exploded.
I upgraded this revolver today. Not
Wait, I'll
today,
donate.
but
I'll
like
donate.
yesterday.
I'll donate this.
So, like,
If you donate,
Yeah.
please do
I'll donate
that.
this.
Kill him! Kill him!
my lifetime.
No, please, bro, can I have my backpack at least? Please. My grappler was in there.
Come here.
Freak.
Dude, I have like 15.
Yo. I need to go to a no.
You just got your thing blown up.
First of all, you're in two okay. I'll make you go away.
What? I thought it was motive. It is, but guys, I finally locked it, but I had to buy research points because I'm impatient. Very impatient.
I'm literally got. I'm literally
Oh,
got
no,
it.
you
Cell.
got that.
I'm got it. Cell.
What's with the new map?
Bro.
Wait, are you German? Are you German?
Yes, I'm German.
Am I German? No.
Oh, yeah, okay. Wait. You need to trash can? Like, yeah, okay.
Can people donate?
I got you, dude. I got you.
No, I probably don't care.
God, it's horrifying. That was bad. Bro, I'm so lucky I got my logo.
10,000.
Bro, I'm that poor now. I'm that
But
poor.
you need to. You
I'm
got
not-
10,000 when you want to. How many nuts do you have? How many nuts do you have?
Me?
Yeah. I got 1 million. What the heck? I have 600.
Wait, how do you transfer them? How do you transfer them?
Sell me. Who wants to sell me? Who wants to?
Hey,
dude,
I'm taking donations, bro.
You wanna go inside my shredder? Look at this. Look, it's a baby black
Yo,
man.
why is it?
And it's a
I like donations.
big.
Why is that small?
I'm taking donations.
Yeah, sell all of these.
Taking donations, you know?
Yo, what? Oh yeah, I forgot you
The
couldn't.
act of kindness.
Hey, any donations, man? Hey, Blue, any donations?
Never.
Any donations, man?
Hey guys!
Money
Guys,
is
Ryan's
damage
tour
done.
reveal! Guys, it's Ryan's tour reveal!
Can you give me a donation, please, Taco?
Yo! This guy's shredding my water revolver.
Can you give me a
Stay in
donation,
this lobby
please?
as long as you can. I will be
Yo,
back.
no, I don't like that.
Okay, thank you so much.
Oh, heck no, he's trying to sell
Stay
it!
in this lobby, okay? Make sure to stay.
Okay.
Yo,
I will.
What you?
I'm
Has died.
Does anyone have a mini grappler? I'm trading a giant one for
Donation.
Hey, yeah, can I have that saddle? I'll let you fly with me.
Eddie donations. Literally Eddie donation.
What did y'all just put in there?
Oh no! That was weird. I just went flying. Wait, I'm gonna try something. If I get a loaded revolver, it's my last time I'm gonna buy revolver ammo for a while.
Any donations?
Because this is good.
I could trade you for these.
Is that the normal one?
Any
Eddie
donations?
donations. Eddie, absolutely
like
Eddie
any
donations.
Any donations?
Not, bro.
Donations?
No,
Any
you
donations?
already took my revolver that was loaded.
Black?
I'm not giving you
How
anything.
How do you give
Get
donations?
real money.
Can you give me a
I work
donation,
at
please?
McDonald's.
Thank you.
Can anyone give me a donation?
How do you get the donation thingy?
You have to
Can you
unlock
give me a donation, please?
Yeah, can
No.
you give us donations?
How do you get the
Monkey. Yo. No! Wait, that was actually good movement. I'm just gonna load this one at a time. Done.
Me.
Here.
I don't want.
I don't
Who
really
wants to go to the office?
Me.
Next server I
You?
go for donations.
Come on.
Can you give me a donation, please?
Never. Work at McDonald's. It's a good job.
Okay, guys, who
Not
wants to go for a ride? Who wants to go for a ride?
Can you give me a donation, please?
Let's go.
Bro, just work at McDonald's already.
Can I have one
give me a
person come with
donation,
me to
please?
office?
I'm ready to go on a ride.
Okay, I guess. I'll come.
Wait, hang on. Go let me get my fan out.
Okay, can you give me a donation?
Anybody have a nut?
Yo.
Back down. I need to get
Who
my
wants to
fans out.
see me fly? No! No! I lost my bag. I should have not done that. Okay, yeah, so I'm gonna end the video here. So I hope you enjoyed this
186.
Hey,
K.
be careful. It's
vid.
How, bro? How do you have that much money?
Wait.
Can you give me a donation? I work for a charity. It's called Cancer Research UK. I am a very I shall give you
Okay, guys,
part of this
so-
money.
Why is my cosmetics like that? I'm gonna end the video
If
here.
we
So I
know
hope
the
you enjoyed
private
today's
code, we
video.
can sell
Bye.
this. We can give somebody